Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is a type of fat that accumulates around the waistline and internal organs, increasing the risk of health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. While it's not possible to target fat loss in specific areas of the body, there are several lifestyle changes that can help reduce belly fat and improve overall health. One of the most effective ways to reduce belly fat is to adopt a healthy diet. This means cutting back on processed and sugary foods, and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating a diet high in fiber can also help reduce belly fat by keeping you full and regulating digestion. In addition to a healthy diet, regular exercise is crucial for reducing belly fat. Aerobic exercise, such as jogging, cycling, or swimming, can help burn calories and reduce overall body fat, including belly fat. Resistance training, such as lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises, can also help build muscle mass and boost metabolism, leading to more fat burning. Reducing stress levels can also help reduce belly fat, as stress hormones such as cortisol can contribute to fat storage around the midsection. Practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Getting enough sleep is another important factor in reducing belly fat. Lack of sleep has been linked to increased appetite, decreased metabolism, and higher levels of belly fat. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a consistent sleep routine to promote quality sleep. Overall, reducing belly fat requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. It may take time and effort, but the benefits to your health and well-being are well worth it.